Hello, here's the cartooning station. This is the Q2 ambient light for Audi Q2 ambient light. Is the 2021 model. You can see this is the airvent. 4 pieces airvent, and this the LED connector. This one is harmonious for the power. This is for the fee lamp and the rear fee lamp. This for center control one. Extend cable, and this for the door storage box ambient light. This one is for four door extend cables, switch cables, and this is plug and play for the door ambient light. See, and here's the control box. Total 5 pieces inside. Yes, and this is the main part, the key part. This ambient light is used the genuine part, Audi part. This is Audi one, Audi part, and also this. They are original. We show you that. See that? Audi China. See? Audi China. Okay. That is the original one. Also this one. See? Audi China. And that one also. Always the genuine one. You see Audi logo. There's a ambient light. Also this one. This is a LED ambient light. And these two connector for this. Okay. There's a cartooning station.